guys, welcome to my channel. I'm pixieraimua and in this video I'm going to show you how to go from this normal everyday kind of makeup to this. To a full glam sort of look. So guys, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. I'll just leave my handle down on the screen below. It's just pixieraimua everywhere. If you do like this video, don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up, and if I am quieter it's because I'm actually not very well. I've got strep throat, so I am actually struggling to talk. That's why I haven't been filming much recently. If you would like to see how I created this look and how I went from my everyday makeup to this full glam makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see I've just got some normal everyday makeup. I've actually had this on all day, so I thought I'd just show you how to go from not really having much on, just having your basic everyday makeup, to maybe something a little bit more glam. Maybe if you're going out after work, or if you have been travelling and you haven't got much time to get changed and to do your hair and makeup later on, you can see what I do just to jazz up what I already have on my face. So I would obviously just repowder my face, which I have already done, just to stop all the shine and any blemishes as well. I will just do a concealer. So I've tried to use as little products as possible, just so if you are travelling or, you know, taking these things to work or university or school, college, anything like that, where you just want to vamp your makeup up after but you don't want to be carrying around loads of products. So what I will do is I will just take my Real Techniques angled brush and I'll go in with my travel sized Hoola bronzer. And obviously I will just then contour the cheeks ever so slightly. And then obviously I will just contour anywhere else that I normally would contour and bronze. Okay, and for blush I will just go in with the travel size option of the Cha Cha tint. And what I do find, this blush, even though it is liquid, does apply okay over powder. I just do a small bit at a time and blend with my fingers. It just gives a nice healthy glow. So I do have a new highlighter to try. It's the Model Co Baked Highlighter in Frose, I think that's how you pronounce it. Again, I got this in a Birchbox. I have swatched this and it is beautiful. This is just what it looks like. Ooh, pretty. It's very pink toned. Oh my god, can you see that? Wow. Ooh, I like this. Yes. Okay, that is beautiful. So then I will make sure that I do bring a setting spray with me, just to spray it all over my face. It'll just freshen up all of the makeup that we already have on, and plus merge all of the new makeup that we've just put on together. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom you guys in so you can see my eyes. Okay, and for this look I'm going to be using the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So first off, I'm just going to go all over my lid with the colour Tempera. And then with the colour Bon Fresco. Also, please excuse my nails. So I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush and start working that into the crease. And what I love about these shades is they're so pigmented. It's not going to take you a long time to do this sort of look, which is perfect for if you are in a rush or going straight out or something like that. And then I'm also just going to take that shade and run it under the eye. And using just a clean, fluffy brush, just start to blend those in. And then on the brush that actually comes with the palette, I'm going to use the flatter end, and I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber. I'm just going to start placing that onto the outer corners. As you can see how pigmented this is already. And just blend it into the crease as well. I'm just taking the fluffy brush on the same brush, on the brush that came with it, and just start to blend. And just keep going back in to build that colour up. And then I'm just going to run what's left on my brush just under the eye, ever so slightly. And a fluffy brush just to blend. Then on another fluffy brush, I'm just going to go in with the colour Red Ochre. I'm going to mix it with Venetian Red, so these two here, and that's going to go on a fluffy brush. I'm just going to start warming up the transition. And the same just under. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Essence Metal Sharp eyeshadow in the shade 1 Second to Mars. This is a Stila dupe, I believe, for the, are they called Magnificent Metals, I think they might be called. Anyway, I do have a review, so I will pop that in the clickable eye button just somewhere around up here somewhere for you guys if you wanted to check that one out. And just where we've left that space, I'm just going to start painting this on. And once I've done that, what I do is I just tap very lightly just to start blending. We will go back over this with some eyeshadow, but it just makes that line not quite so harsh. I'm just going to take this colour here called Antique Bronze. Just taking that on the fluffy brush. I'm just going to place it in the centre, just to start blending that colour together. And what's nice about this Antique Bronze colour is it does have a little shimmer, so it does blend quite nicely. Taking that Model's Coat highlighter again, I'm just going to pop it as my inner corner highlight. And I'm also just going to pop it on the brow bone as a brow highlight. Guys, I'm not joking, I think I've found a new favourite highlighter, to be honest. Our eyeshadow is now dry and we can do some eyeliner, so you can probably skip this step if you want to. Again, just make it quicker, just add your mascara, but obviously I like to do eyeliner. To use my NYX Epic Ink liner, just going to do a simple cat eye. Because we're keeping this look quick and simple, I'm not actually going to use any lashes today. However, I am going to use the Benefit Bag Gal Bang mascara just because it is awesome. You don't need false eyelashes with this mascara, it's just amazing. So this is the eyes. So I'm just going to do the lips. So this is the Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Charmed. It's actually the Mani MUA one. Obviously you use whichever lipstick it is that you want to use that you think will go with this look. I just really like this like nudie mauvey kind of pink colour. so this is the finished look. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed seeing how I go from my everyday makeup to this glam makeup. Sorry if I've been a bit quieter in this video than usual. I've actually got a strep throat, so I'm actually finding it quite difficult to talk. It's also the reason I haven't posted much lately, especially on like my Instagram, and I missed the video last week. I just really haven't been very well. I will be doing my Captain America video soon. I do promise I'll get it out for next weekend. I'm actually going to see Infinity War next weekend, so you know, that sort of like coincides with that. It's going to be such a heavy look, and I just really haven't been feeling very well, but I thought I really needed to get something out, so I thought I'd do this for you guys. Also, my jumper, it says running late on it, is the Safe Just Nails merch. This jumper was literally made for me. I love grey. Obviously I think I wear grey in almost every single video. I'm trying to dye my hair grey, which is getting there, and I'm always late. If you do like this video guys, please don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. It means the world to me. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Don't mess up. God, I'm filming! I literally just got to do my intro. Oh, don't mind my husband. I'm gonna cut you out. Stop it, go away.